Do it again.
I see you, and you have that thing in your hand called the camera, and I don't trust the camera thing. And this thing over here, she thinks she pointed it secretly the right way.
Where's my dancing boots?
She thinks she pointed it secretly the right way, but I'm telling you, it's not gonna happen.
There we go.
What is she laughing at?
I don't know.
Her cheeks are broken.
Yeah, her cheeks are broken. Dance, Jacques, dance.
Don't be taking me.
Dancing Jacques. Ooh, disco Jacques.
Turn it off. I told you that's enough right now. I was only going to do it for 30 seconds.
Jeffrey with the G.
30. I said 30 seconds. That was it. It's on for 2 minutes now. That's it. That's all. No more scene here.
Don't cut the pastry too thick. Use the salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Too thick. Say too thick.
Don't cut your pastry too thick. You have to prepare it before time. And then it is very nice. You're going to love this. This is going to be great.
Jeff does Ricardo.